How to order on Whataburger app. It's very simple and a quick process, so without any further delay, let's jump right into the video. Start by heading over to your application Whataburger. Enter your login credentials as in your email address and the password, and then log into a specific account. Once you have been logged in, now in this home page, you will be able to see all the products that are available in this app. If you want to make an order, then all you gotta do is tap on Start Order at the bottom of the screen. Now you will need to search for the zip or city or the state that you are living in. It will show you all of the nearby location in which Whataburger is available. From there you can choose any of the location and then view the menu. Choose the specific product that you want to purchase. Once selected, tap on Order. It will show you all of the order details. Click on Checkout option at the bottom right corner of the screen. You will need to enter your payment method and then pay the specific amount. After that, your order will be done, and within the time limit, you'll receive your order. So that's a wrap for this video. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.